One of the things that Sustainalytics is very involved in is trying to bring new ideas into the market and try to create dialogue and debate and discussion in regards to how environmental social governance issues can influence investment decision makings, and we try to think outside of the box a little bit. Another thing that Sustainalytics likes to do is partner with other groups and organizations that may have a slightly different approach to the issue than we do. So Sustainalytics has partnered with Oddo Securities, which is a Paris headquartered traditional sell-side brokerage shop, and we've looked at the issue of transportation and mobility across a range of sectors, rail, marine, air travel, to examine, I think in an innovative way, how issues like climate change and other environmental and social issues are going to impact those industries, broadly speaking. And of course, what we found is certain sectors can benefit from some of the sustainability-driven changes we're seeing in the world. Others are facing risks in that regard. And then within those sectors, you see companies who understand the opportunities or not. And I think for investors, every investor is trying to get an edge. And at the end of the day, as an investor, don't you want to know everything you possibly can about a company? That's really the game. There's always going to be a risk in investing in a company, but you're always hoping for a return that is commensurate with that risk. But we always think that risk-return equation is best calculated when you know as much as you possibly can about the company in the first place. And so we're just providing new angles, new ways of looking at companies, new ways of looking at sectors that traditional analysts don't always think about. And that's the sort of value add that a company like Sustainalytics adds into the equation. And it's why I think environmental social governance issues are becoming a lot more mainstream, certainly a lot more so than they were 5 or 10 years ago.